Hi. Ah! Hi! Man, stop screaming, it's annoying. I will spike you, worm. I am hungry. Man, guys, just stop arguing. It's not about you, man. Well, I am the main bird of America. Well, you're not the strongest, Anne. Guys, what is going on? I'm the fastest, you know. What's going down there? I am the biggest. Well, I am the smallest and I have the biggest beak. Haha! No, I have the biggest beak. Guys, stop fighting. No. Man, why do you always swear I am a Turk? Why do you always say the K word? You guys will be my friends and I'll get my... Anyway, you guys are also my... Ah! Fly away.